Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the theme style option under global styles. Now basically what the theme style option will do is it will allow us to change different types of settings for the overall look of our website. Now you'll probably notice now that we've clicked into this that you'll get this little notification here saying that in order for theme style to affect all relevant Elementor elements, please disable default colors and fonts from the settings page. Okay, so to do that, we're just going to click on our little X to close us out of there. Oop, went one step too far, didn't I? Oh no, back it comes. We'll click on our menu and you'll see here under settings, we've got dashboard settings. So we want to click on that and it should open it up in a new window. And you'll see under the general tab, we have disable default colors and disable default fonts. So we want to check both of them. And then we want to save those changes. So we can just close that tab down again now. It mightn't be necessary, but I reload the page at this point just to make sure that the settings have taken effect. Never be too sure with these browser-based applications. Rightio, so now if we click up on our little menu again and we go into theme style, we'll notice that our little message has disappeared. And now we can affect things on our whole site. So for example, we could change the background color to blue, or green, or any other hideous color we like. In this case, we'll just leave it clear. So we can change background, do types, and images, and all that sort of stuff. We can change our global typography. So we can change what our body text will be. We can change its colors. And we can do the same for our links and our headings. So we can have all our headings in different styles and colors if we want. So for example, we can make all our H2s a blue. And we might want to make our H4 a red. We can do that. We can change our H2 to have a different type of font. Make our H3 have a different type of font. And so on and so forth for all the different bits and bobs. We can change our button styling. So if we want, we can stick a bit of a text shadow on it. Of course, change our fonts, background colors, box shadow. That's the one we wanted. Give it a bit of a drop shadow if we want. Border on it. Although I don't like borders, but you can do it. We can change the border radius so we can make the button a bit more round if we want. And all the other options. And then that'll apply to all our buttons all the way through. We can also modify, we don't have any there yet to demonstrate, but we can change our form fields and how we have our images set up. So if we want, we can put a bit of border radius on our images. Just to curve the edges a bit there if we want. We can add a bit of shadow, do all those sorts of things. So that's theme style. Probably the more potent one to use. Just be mindful of the fact that it will also influence some of the elements in your header and footer. I'm going to discard these changes. I only did them to make you aware that they're there. Okay. Whichever option you choose is entirely up to you, and it will depend on what sort of site you're building as well. Okay.